Hello students, welcome to Narayana Online Classes. Today we are discussing 10th Standard Mathematics assignment number 63 on the topic similar triangles. Now the first question. Here, in a triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. If AD is equals to X, AE is equals to X plus 2 and DB is equals to X minus 2 and CE is equals to X minus 1, then what is the value of X? Then what is the value of X? Let it be in a triangle. Let us, I am drawing a figure A, B, C, and E is a line which is parallel to BC. D is a line which is a parallel to BC. So here AD is equals to X and AE is equals to X plus 2 and DB is equals to X minus 2 and EC is equals to X minus 1. If you see that by using basic proportionality theorem, why DE is parallel to BC, so basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. By using basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Substitute all the values what he is given in that ratio. AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. AD is X by DB, X minus 2, which is equals to AE X plus 2 by EC is X minus 1. Do cross multiplication. X into X minus 1 is equals to X minus 2 into X plus 2. So X into X, X square minus X is equals, here A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square, that is X square minus 2 square. So X square get cancelled. Here minus X is equals to minus 2 square value is 4. So minus X is equals to minus 4. Therefore X is equals to 4. Option A. Option A. Now coming to the next problem. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. If DE by AB, DE is to AB is equals to 2:3 and the area triangle DEF is equals to 44 square units, then the area of triangle ABC. So we need to calculate a triangle ABC. So see here, triangle ABC is similar to a triangle DEF. I am drawing a figure, triangle ABC, which is similar to triangle DEF. We know that by using similarity theorem, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Their corresponding sides are in proportion. So AB by DE is equals to AB by DE is equals to already we know that, so their corresponding sides are equal, but he is given a triangle DEF is equals to 44 square units, area is given. So area similarity theorem, if two triangles are similar, then area similarity theorem, what is area similarity theorem? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to side by side whole square. Side by side whole square. So area of triangle ABC by area of a triangle DEF is equals to side by side whole square, that is AB by DE whole square. So let it be what he is given, DE by AB is given. So here I am doing DE by AB is equals to 2 by 3. Then you should inverse it. AB by DE is equals to 3 by 2. AB by DE is equals to 3 by 2. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is given how much? 44 is equals to AB by DE. AB by DE is 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 2 whole square. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equals to a 3 square value is 9, a 2 square value is 4 into we are sending 44 to left hand side, that is 44. 4 ones are 4 11s are, so 9 11s are 99 square units. What is the area of triangle ABC? 99 square units. Option C. Option C. Now coming to the next problem. In the triangle ABC, LM is parallel to AB. In a triangle ABC, LM is parallel to AB. AL is equals to x minus 3, AC is equals to 2x, BM is equals to x minus 2 and BC is equals to 2x plus 3. Find the value of x. Here also we are doing the same by using basic proportionality theorem. So in a triangle A, B, C, and then what he is saying that LM is parallel to AB. So there is a line LM which is parallel to AB. LM is parallel to AB. Then what is given? AL is equals to x minus 3 and AC total is given, that is equals to 2x, right? And the next one is BM is equals to x minus 2 and BC total is given, BC is equals to 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Then see here children, find the value of x. Here AC is equals to AC, total AC is equals to AL plus LC, AL plus LC, right? So AC value is 2x is equals to AL value is x minus 3 plus LC. Therefore LC is equals to 2x minus x plus 3. If you subtract it, 2x minus x is x plus 3. So LC is equals to x plus 3. Now coming to MC, BC is given, right? So BC is equals to, total BC is equals to BM plus MC, BM plus MC, right? So BC is x minus 2 is equals to BM is x minus, sorry, BC is equals to 2x plus 3 is equals to BM is x minus 2 plus MC. We need to calculate MC. Therefore 2x plus 3 minus x plus 2. So 2x minus x is x plus 5. So MC value is x plus 5. By using basic proportionality theorem, we can write it as, so LM is parallel to AC, right? So CL by LA is equals to CL by LA is equals to BM CM by BM, CM by MB. So CL is x plus 3 by CL by LA, x minus 3. is equals to cm is x plus 5 by mb is x minus 2. Do cross multiplication. X plus 3 into x minus 2 is equals to x plus 5 into x minus 3. X into x, x square, and minus 2x plus 3x minus 6 is equals to x square minus 3x plus 5x minus 15. So x square cancel. Minus 2x plus 3x is x minus 6 is equals to, here minus 3x plus 5x is 2x minus 15. Therefore 2x minus x is equals to, therefore 2x minus x is equals to 15 minus 6. Therefore x is equals to 15 minus 6 is how much? 15 minus 6 is 9. So 9 units, x is equals to 9 units. Now coming to the next problem. See here, give two different examples of pair of similar figures and non-similar figures, right? So let it be. So similar figures. And non-similar figures. Similar figures and non-similar figures. See here children, similar figures, what are the, for example, what are the universe similar figures? All the squares are similar figures, all the equilateral triangles are similar figures, and all squares are, all circles are similar figures, right? So we are giving many examples. All equilateral triangles, all equilateral triangles are similar, and all equilateral triangles are similar, and all circles are similar. Circles are similar. And the third one is all squares are similar. And let it be all regular polygons are similar. All regular polygons are similar. Let it be regular hexagons are similar, and regular hexagons are similar, right? All regular polygons are similar. Non-similar figures means square and rectangle. Square and rectangle are similar or non-similar. And one more, square and rectangle are non-similar, and one more, circle and rectangle are non-similar figures. Non-similar figures, right? These are the different examples of similar figures and non-similar figures, right? So now the next problem. Here the explanation of basic proportionality theorem. Explanation of a basic proportionality theorem. What is basic proportionality theorem? First of all, what is basic proportional? A line is drawn parallel to the one side of a triangle which divides the other two sides in a equal ratios. That is called a basic proportionality theorem. What is theorem? What is basic proportionality theorem? In a triangle, a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle it cuts the other two sides in same ratio. It is called a basic proportionality theorem. It is called a triangle. In a triangle, a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. It cuts the other two sides in a same ratio or same proportion, right? So let it be, we are taking a triangle ABC. If I am taking a triangle A, B, C, right? So if I am drawing DE is parallel to BC, then a proof RTP. What we are proving is, so AD by in triangle ABC. So AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. It is what we are proving, required to prove, right? So now I'm joining a B points and DC points. L and M. So see, now the proof. Construction I already told you. So DE is in triangle A, B, C. DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC, right? So now I am taking area of a triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle. First I am taking area of triangle ADE. So AD as base. Now I am taking AD as base, right? So next I am taking a triangle DBE, right? So area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE, which is equals to half base is AD into height is LE or LM, right? LE. by half into, see here, triangle DBE. So triangle DBE. Here if you observe that triangle ADE and triangle DBE are having a same base, let it be, it is having height is LM. So DB into LE. So LE get cancelled, these two are cancelled, AD by DB. This is the first equation. Now coming to the second one, in the similarly, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC, right? So which is equals to half into, now I am taking AE as base, so AE into height is DM by half into here the base is EC into height is DM. So half of DM get cancelled, AE by EC. Let it be, this is the second one. If you observe that, simply I am saying that BCED is a trapezium, or otherwise DE is parallel to BC, and these two triangles, triangle DEB and triangle DEC are lying between two parallel lines having a same base, then we said that those two areas are equal. Therefore, here these two areas are equal. Area of triangle ADB by area of triangle DCE, these two areas are equal, and the numerator is also equal from one equation 1 and 2. So these two left hand sides are equal, then right hand sides are equal. So from equation 1 and 2, so AD by DB is equals to AE by EC, hence proved, right? Oh, thank you students.